Hello viewers, welcome from magicboxproperty.com. Today I am going to show you how you can advertise your property in our website magicboxproperty.com. Just go to browser and type www.magicboxproperty.com and you can see one page will open, and this is the page. And now I am scrolling down how it look like. You can see all property listed here. In right corner you can see create a listing button, or you can click on advertise property quickly and you can see a page will open. Here you can advertise your property, but before advertise your property you have to register yourself in our website. It is desktop mode. If you would like to open our site from your mobile, how it look like, so you can see, and it is mobile version. And what you have to do, you have to go to right corner and you can see this round option. From here you can create listing, or you can log in or register yourself. You can register, log in and advertise your property from your mobile. Before advertising, I will request all of you, please save our website in your mobile home screen. How you can save this website in your mobile home screen? After visiting in our website, you can see three dot option in your mobile, and you have to click on this three dot option and you can see add to home screen option. Just click on add to home screen. After click on add option, once you click on add option, this site will appear in your mobile home screen. Further, if you would like to open our website, you don't have to go to browser again and again. You can open it easily from your mobile home screen. I hope you understand how you can add this website in your mobile home screen. Now let's talk about how you can register yourself by submitting all these details: your name, your title, your username. Please remember this username, or you can note it down anywhere. Your email ID, your contact number, password, and re-enter your password. Select who you are. If you are an owner, click on owner. If you are an agent, click on agent and tick on I agree terms and condition. After click on register button. You can see your account has been successfully registered. Now you can log in yourself by submitting your username or email ID. Type your email ID or username and type the password. After click on login button. Please keep in mind, after click on login button, you have to refresh this page from your desktop or from your mobile. Once you refresh this page, you can see one user button will appear in your website. Click on create listing button. Once you click on this button, your user board will open, and from here you can advertise your property. Now I will show how you can advertise your property. You have to type your title, your property title, like 2 BHK flat for sale or for rent in Kolkata or Goria. Now you have to fill your description, your property description. You can see. Now you have to select property type, like it is a 2 BHK flat, so I have to select 2 BHK flat. It is for sale and it is a furnished flat. Now I have to enter the amount 37 lakh. Now I have to press on next. After click on next button, you have to upload property images or pictures. From here you can upload maximum 20 images, and after uploading all the images, what you have to do, you have to select any one image which you would like to see property main picture or front picture. You have to click on any star mark and click on next button. Now you have to fill property details space like 2 rooms, 2 bathrooms, area size like 800 or 1000, 1200, whatever. You don't have to type square feet option, it is already set. Now carpet area you can set. Deposit amount you don't have to set because it is for sale. Now it is property, it is less than 1 year property. Number of balcony you can select. Which facing you can multi-select like south and east and click on outside. Land area, this plot situated on 5 kattha plot. Number of covered parking you can select. Number of open parking you can select. Welcome for family, bachelor, anyone you can multi-select. Is it top floor? No, you can multi-select, it is in 3rd floor. And furnished amenities, what are the furnished amenities available in this flat? You can see, you can select multi option. Select servant security room, yes or no. Select which are the common area can use. Posted by, if you are a owner, click on owner and click on next button. Property feature, you can select on property feature like gym, 24-hour security guard and click on next button. You can attach any one property documents like property master plan and you can click on next button. You have to fill property address like it is situated in Mahamayatala at Garia. Then you have to fill address, state, city and area like Garia and select Garia option. After click on next button. You can fill this or leave it and click on next button. After tick this terms and condition and click on submit property option. After submit property, you can see your property has been successfully submitted. If you would like to check this property, click on property option. In your dashboard you can see this is the listing listed by me, and if I click on this listing I can see how it look like it is 2 BHK flat at Garia, Kolkata sale. Price is 37 lakh. Pictures, description and details, property details you can see. Property features and contact number. Here is an option, after advertising you can change or modify property details or price by submitting your dashboard, and you have to click on action and click on edit button. Now from here you can edit property price. Click on save change button and you can see your property has been updated successfully, 37 lakh to 35 lakhs. You can change or modify other option also from here. Please try to fill all the details about your property. As much as you fill all the details, it's look authenticate and maximum property seeker will contact to you. You can advertise any kind of residential or commercial property, paying guest, land, plot in the same way. For land or plot advertisement you don't have to fill all the details. You can fill only property title, description, price, picture and property land area, that's it. Now you can see this property has been edited from 37 to 35 lakhs. Now I am showing you other dashboard option, other features. It is insight option. From insight option you can check how many people view your property, country wise, device wise, browser wise, everything will showing here. You can click on messages option. If anyone send you a message for your property, you can reply them from here. From my profile you can change your name, your email ID, your contact number, your WhatsApp number and other information. as well as you can change your password also from this dashboard. I hope you understand how you can advertise your property in our website magicboxproperty.com very quickly. Like this way you can advertise your property at free of cost, as well as you can purchase a premium listing to deal your property within a few days. For that you have to contact us and we will advertise your property by our end. So don't wait, advertise your property now in magicboxproperty.com. We invite all the property developers or builder as well as real estate agent and property dealer to build their excellent client base in real estate sector. Thank you all of you for watching this video.